That's good. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. There's a ton of zucchini coming on in the garden, so today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, flavorful zucchini sabzi, a quick Indian-style stew that's perfect for everyday meals. It uses minimal ingredients and comes together in about 30 minutes. It pairs perfectly with rice or roti. If you want to check out my fragrant rice recipe, I've put a link for that below in the description. For veggies, you'll need 3 large zucchini, 2 medium potatoes, and 2 medium onions, as well as the following spices: 1 piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 1-inch cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, 2 black cardamom pods, and salt to taste. I also used half a teaspoon of red chili powder, but feel free to adjust this down if you want it milder. Start with less and add more as needed. Begin by placing a heavy bottom pot on medium-low heat. Its size is perfect for adding large volumes to and has a bit of a witch cauldron feel to it. Drop those onions in as soon as the pot is heated up and start frying them while we go on to the next step, which will be skinning the zucchini. You can leave the skins on, but it cooks slightly faster without them. Once skinned, slice the zucchini into 1-inch thick medallions. Let's check back in on our onions. They've developed some nice color and are looking perfect, so it's time to add in our zucchini. When you do this, everything will be pretty dry, so I like to add about a 1/4 cup of water to help everything move along. Try and do this right before you put the lid on, since the steam will help cook the zucchini. Allow that to cook for about 10 minutes and then come back through and drop the potatoes in. I've cut them into about 1/2-inch pieces here. And there you have it, everyone. Once your potatoes are tender, you are ready to serve your zucchini sabzi. I served mine with my fragrant basmati rice this time, but it's also delicious with naan. If you want the recipe for that, you can find it in the description. Thanks for watching, and when you try this recipe out, I'd love if you dropped a comment to let me know how it turned out. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.